Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your POCO C40. So if we open our Google Play Store and here try finding Call of Duty, it would be in search results. So to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, family, find parental controls, and simply disable them or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the setting afterwards, and now if we go back and try to download the game again, it should be right here available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.